Bangladesh is on attack. I would say they're unlucky. Oh my God. Such a great move it was. It was number 20 again. On that occasion, he's made it good. But it had hit the post. Unlucky. And there, it's a corner kick. Another chance. Bangladesh is fighting really hard on the last moment and the death moment. The match has already gone, but